Study motivation tips. Here are some study motivation tips to help you stay focused and driven. One, set clear goals. Define specific study goals that are attainable and relevant to your academic progress. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks to make them more achievable. 2. Create a study schedule. Establish a consistent study routine that fits your preferences and aligns with your energy levels. Having a structured schedule can provide a sense of direction and make studying a regular habit. 3. Find your optimal study environment. Identify an environment that promotes focus and concentration. It could be a quiet library, a dedicated study space at home, or a cafe. Experiment to discover what works best for you. 4. Eliminate distractions. Minimize distractions during your study sessions. Put away your phone, block distracting websites or apps, and create a conducive environment for learning. Consider using productivity tools or apps to help you stay on track. 5. Break it down. Tackle complex subjects or tasks by breaking them down into smaller, manageable chunks. This approach makes studying more approachable and helps prevent overwhelm. 6. Use effective study techniques. Explore various study techniques such as active recall, spaced repetition, and summarization. Experiment with different methods to find what works best for you and enhances your understanding and retention of information. 7. Find motivation in your subjects. Discover the relevance and real-life applications of what you're studying. Connect the material to your interests and career goals to make it more meaningful and engaging. 8. Mix up your study routine. Avoid monotony by incorporating variety into your study routine. Switch between subjects, use different study materials or methods, and alternate between focused study sessions and more interactive or practical activities. 9. Take breaks. Allow yourself regular breaks during study sessions. Short breaks can help you recharge, improve focus, and prevent burnout. Use this time to relax, stretch, or engage in a quick, enjoyable activity. 10. Stay organized. Keep your study materials, notes, and resources organized. A clutter-free study space and structured notes can reduce stress and help you find information quickly when needed. 11. Seek support. Reach out to classmates, teachers, or study groups for support and clarification on challenging topics. Collaborating with others can enhance your understanding and provide motivation through shared goals. 12. Celebrate progress. Acknowledge and celebrate your achievements along the way. Reward yourself after completing tasks or reaching milestones to reinforce a positive mindset and boost motivation. 13. Stay positive. Maintain a positive attitude toward studying. Remind yourself of the benefits and long-term goals you're working towards. Replace negative self-talk with positive affirmations and believe in your ability to succeed. Remember, finding what motivates you is a personal journey. Experiment with different strategies and tailor them to suit your learning style and preferences. Stay persistent, stay focused, and stay motivated.